Like to saw off some tubing, or polish a very small workpiece? Do up your stairs, or some levelling work? Then Mr. Strong is just right for you. This precision clamping tool by R2 is sure to hold any workpiece firmly in its grip. You can angle it up or down, and it's ideal for steadying your electric drill. Setting it up is child's play. Mr. Strong can be fitted on any table in just a few easy steps. The two table clamps are simply fixed to the assembly rods, and the rods are then used to screw the clamping system to the tabletop. And that's that. No matter what you need Mr. Strong for, he's capable of clamping objects of up to 230 millimeters in width. Setting the grip takes no time at all, and then you only need one finger to release it again, so the clamp can be swiftly maneuvered into position. And used, for example, to press down the sole of a shoe. Even the model maker's small and fragile aluminium components can be held firm for reworking without causing any damage. This cabinet needs another drawer. Mr. Strong can also clamp the two side sections at right angles without letting them slip. Especially with precision work, it's very handy to have a clamping tool that you can revolve and angle into any position you wish. This is done using the rotary module, which is screwed to the underside of the clamp. Using the table clips, which are fastened to the rotary module, Mr. Strong is fixed as usual onto the table. The working angle can now be adjusted to suit your needs, but you can only do this if you have only one bolt secured to the rotary module. Mr. Strong is fixed into position when both bolts are fastened. Using the attachable pipe grips, you can also quickly mend rounded objects, such as the pipe feed into your garden watering system. With Mr. Strong's tight and secure grip, you can now cut the pipe and repair the watering system. Mr. Strong is positioned exactly adjacent to the edge of the table. This is important if we want to do some planing, grinding or paintwork. This plank is too long for clamping, which is where the extension clamp comes in. With this tool, you can grip workpieces of any length securely. To do this, the clamping device is fastened to the table with the grips facing downwards. After positioning the extension clamp, this picture frame can also be gripped firmly. To grip larger objects on their sides, both table clamps have to be fastened on one side. Then the table doesn't get in the way anymore, and even doors can be clamped securely. Even the weight of this antique wagon wheel is no trouble for Mr. Strong. In just a few steps, you can convert your clamping system into a holder for your drill. Now drilling precision holes at right angles is a piece of cake.